Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a video tutorial with Camtasia, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Camtasia and create a new project. Choose the screen recording option to capture your screen. Select the area of the screen you want to record. Click the record button to start capturing your screen activity. Perform the actions you want to demonstrate in your tutorial. Once finished, click the stop button to end your recording. Your captured video will automatically appear in the media bin. Drag the video to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Play through the video and look for any sections you want to edit. Use the cut tool to remove any mistakes or unnecessary parts. Add annotations or callouts to emphasize important information. Incorporate voiceover by clicking on the Audio tab and selecting Record Voice Narration. Follow the prompts to record your voice as you adjust audio levels to ensure clarity and balance between the voiceover and any background sounds. Include music or sound effects by importing audio files into the media bin. Drag them onto the audio track in the timeline. Preview your video to ensure everything flows smoothly. Make any final adjustments to timing and transitions. When satisfied with your tutorial, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select the desired export option, such as MP4 for uploading to YouTube. Name your video file and choose the export location on your computer. Click the Export button to start rendering your video. Once the export is complete, locate the file in your destination folder. Your video tutorial is now ready for publishing on your chosen platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.